I'm Vanessa, your girlfriend.
Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll be creating AI girlfriend with locally installed DeepSeek R1 model, which means what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We will be not sharing any conversation, any data about us with the third-party service providers like API providers, for example. Because since it's locally installed on my local computer DeepSeek R1 model, we will not sharing anything with anyone. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, so you can literally talk about anything with your AI girlfriend. So let's just get started because it's gonna be fun. So on my screen there is two amazing AI applications here. The first one is DeepSeek. I mean, this is the backbone of our AI girlfriend, and this is a DID. DID we will be using this AI application to create talking avatars. So here you can see this is the endpoint that we're creating some talking avatars. Oh, by the way, just a heads up, I just want to say that in advance. So this is not a real-time AI girlfriend, because we can also create some AI girlfriend, real-time AI girlfriend with the premium features, premium subscriptions of these AI applications. Not this one, but there is also another applications like Synthesia, Lab, Hagen. Hagen, you can use Hagen to create something like that. But in this video, we're creating something not real time, but it also works. You can see a girl, like artificial created girl, and that girl will be knowing about you, about the conversation that we're having, that you guys were having, also me included. Yeah, let's just get started. So in the previous videos, I already showed you guys how to install DeepSeek R1 model locally to use it locally. And since their API, it's been down for like almost 4 days now. So that's the only way to use DeepSeek's models right now. So locally installed models, the best option right now. Okay, one caveat here. If you don't have any like hardcore hardwares, it's gonna be hard for you to install them because it can go up to like 400 gigabytes in terms of like storage, but I'm using here 1.5 billion parameters model, which is around like 2 gigabytes, which is really convenient for anyone, for any solo developer in the hacker, whatever, because I don't have that much storage right now on my local computer. So let's just get started. This is my code here. Here, as you can see, I'm using Ollama to load the model from my local computer to make it ready for the conversations that we'll be having with the AI girlfriend. So Ollama is just supporting the chat. Let me just zoom in. There you go. So Ollama, and this is the model that I installed, that I downloaded to my local computer. And this code snippet is just creating a stream to make it look great in the output. The results from responses from the model. I will be just showing the responses and conversation history, which is important because we want our girlfriend to think about, I mean, to remember something, to remember something about us, right? That will be a great intimate relationship between us. So conversation history is also important. We'll be adding also conversation history to the models storage, and the system content system prompt is act like you're Vanessa, my AI girlfriend. So continuing with the generating talking avatars, which is actually doing some sending some API requests, the DID talks. Since you have the local model installed on your local computer, you might don't want to use just this API calls to make it like 100% personal and secure and private with the AI girlfriend that you have on your local computer. So you might want to just delete these lines or just not use it. It's up to you, but I want to see something that looks real, you know. So I'm using this API, this avatar here, even though I just named it Vanessa. She's actually Alice. Doesn't matter. So let's just continue. This is my API key. It's not the real API key. I just censored it with the XXX. Anyway, let's just continue. And this is the conversation history. We're we're just adding some data to the conversation history to make the model able to remember something about us. I mean, everything. Like during the conversation, anything that you share will be in the storage of the model. And whenever you ask something about something about that happened in the like beginning of the conversation, it will be able to remember, even though it just like happened like a year ago. Let's just say you've been having a conversation with AI for 1 year. Okay, so let's just get started. Run this code. Hi, how are you? Now it's reasoning thinking. So it says unauthorized because I changed the API key. Let me just uh, try it again. All right, we're back. Hi, how are you? Now it's thinking. Hi. So now this is a response. Hello there, how are you doing? Anything on your mind? And this is Talk ID, and it will be creating a new video that an AI avatar. Let's just go to the show you guys what that is.
Hi, hello there. How are you doing? Anything on your mind or need?
See?
Hello there. How are you doing? Anything on your mind or need?
So I like this model, DID, the model from DID. It looks real nice. Lip sync is also great. It looks like overall it's okay. And it's also a free model, free plan. So this is my account. Here, as you can see, I have 10 credits left. Let's just refresh it to see the actual amount right now I have, because I just use it. So as you can see, 9 left because we just use it. Here, as you can see. And when it comes to results, you can also create an interface, create like an interface, basic interface for you as a, let's just say with the Next.js or your HTML will be better too, will work too. And play that video on your website without downloading like I'm doing here. But that was a free plan. How do you get that API key? It's just pretty easy. You heading to DID websites. You can find the URL in the description and the resources of this video, and you can easily create a free account. But when it comes to like more advanced models, more advanced maybe avatars and stuff, you might want to just upgrade your plan. Yeah, that was it. That was it for this video. That video is actually about the first steps of creating advanced AI girlfriend. Maybe we'll be updating this girlfriend with the real-time interactions and everything, with the maybe animations, with the full body. See you in the next one. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe.